Welcome to the Motorsport Season Planner 2026. This is a smart Google Sheets system built to track an entire racing season in one place. It lets you manage drivers, teams, race results, sprint events, and championship points automatically. On the left, you can see the teams and drivers list. Everything is already set up for the 2026 season, but it is fully editable, so you can use this planner for any year or custom league. In the center, you can see the points system for both races and sprint events. And on the right, there is a legend for race status codes like retired or disqualified, so every result is recorded correctly. When you enter race results, the spreadsheet instantly calculates points, updates driver and team standings, and applies sprint bonuses. You never need to calculate anything manually. The system works like a live championship engine. This planner is perfect for tracking a season, running a fantasy league, or simulating your own motorsport championship. It is simple, flexible, and easy to use. This is the main dashboard. It is fully automatic and updates based on the results you enter in the Race Results tab. The only thing you need to select is the month and year using the drop-down on the right side below the mini calendar. When you change the month or year, the entire dashboard updates to show the correct races, standings, and statistics for that period. The dashboard shows the current podium, total driver points, wins, pole positions, and team rankings. It also includes race summaries such as pole position, sprint winner, fastest lap, and race winner for each event. All charts and tables are connected to the season data, so every result you enter is instantly reflected here. You always get a clear overview of the championship without doing any manual calculations. This is the race tracker. It is already set up for the 2026 season, but everything is fully editable, so you can also use it for other years or custom calendars. Here you can see each race with its country, city, circuit, distance, number of laps, and all important session dates, including practice, sprint, qualifying, and race day. If anything changes during the season, you can easily update it here. On the left side of the sheet, there are small links. When you click one, it automatically takes you to the exact race page where you can enter the race results. This makes navigation fast and simple. The race tracker works as the control center for the whole season and connects directly to the results and dashboard. This is the Race Results tab. This is where you enter all race data for each event in the season. Each race has its own section with the track layout, driver list, and result tables. Here you enter finishing positions for practice sessions, qualifying, sprint, and the main race. You can also select the driver of the day and the fastest lap. Once you add the results here, everything updates automatically across the entire system, including the dashboard, driver standings, and team rankings. This tab is the heart of the planner. It is the only place where you input race data. The rest of the spreadsheet does all the calculations for you. This tab is fully automatic. It pulls all data from the Race Results tab and puts everything into one clear overview. You do not enter anything here. It shows every driver's finishing position for each race, along with their total points. On the right side, you can also see sprint results and sprint points. This page lets you easily compare drivers across the entire season, see who is consistent, and track how the championship is developing race by race. It is a quick way to view all results in one place without switching between individual races. This is the wins tracker. It shows only the winners for each session across the entire season, including practice, sprint qualifying, sprint races, qualifying, main races, driver of the day, and fastest lap. At the top, you can choose a driver from the drop-down menu. When you select a driver, all of their wins are highlighted in red in the table below. This lets you instantly see how many sessions and races that driver has won during the season. This tab is fully automatic and pulls all its data from the Race Results tab. It gives you a quick and clear way to compare driver performance and dominance across the whole championship. This is the season calendar. It shows all race events automatically based on the data in the spreadsheet. The only thing you need to do is choose the month and year from the drop-down at the top. When you change the month or year, the calendar updates to display the correct races, practice sessions, sprint events, qualifying, And race days. This gives you a clear visual overview of the entire season, making it easy to see what is happening on any date without searching through the tables. This is the Team Summary tab. It gives you a clear overview of every team in the championship. Each team has its own panel showing both drivers and the team's total points. These values update automatically based on the race results. You can also see technical and management fields like engine, budget cap, wind tunnel usage, and team notes. These fields are editable, so you can track additional information or run your own simulations. This tab lets you compare team performance and manage team-level data in one place, without needing to calculate anything manually. This is the printable season calendar. It is fully automatic and ready to print. All race weekends are already highlighted, so you can see at a glance when events are happening throughout the year. The layout is clean and designed for easy printing or exporting to PDF. The calendar updates based on the race data and the spreadsheet, so if any dates change, the calendar updates automatically. This gives you a clear professional overview of the entire season in one page.